Chapter 1 Real Numbers 9th Class Exercise 1.4 6th one. Simplify each of the following by rationalizing the denominator. In that first, this is given. Now what is given? 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. Now rationalize with 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. See here, 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2. This is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square formula here. Now see, this into this and this into this. 6 6 are 36. Next, which symbol is there? Minus. So keep minus. 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24 root 2. Next, this minus 4 root 2 into 6. 6 4s are 24. Minus is there. Minus into plus minus. So minus 24 root 2. Next, this minus 4 root 2. This minus 4 root 2. Minus minus becomes plus. 4 4 became 4 4 ja 16. Root 2 became root 2 square. This root, this square cancel by here a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. That means 6 whole square minus 4 root 2 whole square. That equals to 36 minus 24 minus 48, both are having same symbol, minus 48 root 2 plus 16 into 2 by 6 whole square means 6 6 are 36 minus 4 square means 16. 16 into 2 by this root and square cancels, but 4 is square. Now this equals to 36 minus 48 root 2 plus 16 2 is a 32 by 36 minus 16 2 is a 32, isn't it? That equals to, see here, 36 plus 32, 30 30 60, 68, yes, 68, 6 plus 2 68 minus 48 root 2 by 36 minus 32 means 4. Now bring the 4 common. 4 4 ones are 4, 2 is left, 4 sevens are 28 minus here also 4 ones are 4, next 4 twos are 8 into root 2 by 4. Numerator denominator 4 cancels. 17 minus 12 root 2 is the answer of the question. Now move to next question. Solution of this. So root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 minus root 5. Rationalizing with this becomes root 7 minus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5 by root 7 plus root 5 into root 7 minus root 5. See here, a plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a square minus b square formula useful in the denominator value. Now numerator root 7 into root 7 means root 7 whole square. Root 7 into root 7 is over root 7 into root 5. So this is plus, this is minus. Plus into minus becomes minus root 7 into root 5. Next root 5 into root 7 minus plus minus root 5 into root 7. Minus into minus becomes plus root 5 into root 5 whole square. See, this root square cancels numerator. Denominator can be written as, by using this formula, a power a whole square minus b whole square. That means root 7 whole square, root 5 whole square. This root square cancels, isn't it? That equals to, see, 7. Next plus 5. I am writing these two terms near. Next minus, this is, both are having same root. That means root a into root b is equals to under root of a into b, that is equals to root ab. This formula is used here. So 7 5 is 35. That means 7 5 is 35. Here also 7 5 is 35. Both are having minus minus. So minus 2 root 35. Why I am taking? Just wait. This is 7 minus 5. So see here, I am repeating this step once again. See, 7 plus 5 means 11. 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 means 12, sorry. See here, this is minus root 35 and minus root 35, isn't it? Now here minus minus both are having by 7 minus 5 means 2, isn't it? This can be written as 12 minus, this is, both are having 235, so minus 2 under root 35. I am written this one directly. Now by to take the 2 common, that becomes 2 6 are 12 minus root 35, isn't it? By 2. Numerator denominator cancels. The final answer is 6 minus root 35 is the answer of the given question. Now move to next question.